Hello, I'm Antonio Capaldo, the owner of Feudi di San Gregorio, and I'm introducing you our Fiano di Avellino. Fiano di Avellino is a DOCG where Avellino is the name of the town, and in the area of Avellino, the Fiano grapes are becoming DOCG because they are particularly expressive in this specific area. Fiano derives its name from the Latin word apianus, that literally means preferred by bees. So it's a very sweet varietal that transfers this sweetness also in the wine. At the same time, it grows in a volcanic area, so it has elements that in a way conflict and enrich this sweetness natural to the grape. The nose is very rich in sweet aromas, as you could expect, from vanilla that usually you find when a wine is aged in oak, but in this case it's just stainless steel aged, but also peaches and white flowers, and a note of honey that you find back when you taste it. It's very rich wine, very fat, in a positive way, in the sense that it gives you many different it has many different aspects in your mouth. It is characterized like other white wines that we produce by a very long finish, and it's definitely a very versatile wine for food pairing, in particular with fish. Thank you very much. I hope you will enjoy it.